Shivangi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is my variation of a Karwa Chauth look, and the links of all the products which I'll use to create this look will be mentioned in the description box below. Wishing everyone a very happy Karwa Chauth in advance, guys. I hope you have a great day. And yeah, that's it. I don't want to keep this intro long, so now without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. I'll start with the application of a primer. I'll use Flower Beauty In Your Prime Illuminating Primer. I bought this primer in last Nykaa sale and I never really got the chance to show you guys the demo for it. It is such a good primer, guys. It gives a very smooth base and it is really good for a dewy finish. It doesn't have any glitter chunks or anything, but it still kind of adds a subtle shine to your skin. For concealer, I'll use L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312. Next for foundation, I'll use Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 2.22 and I'll mix this with MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pinklite, like this. To set my base, I'll use e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. To fill my eyebrows, I'll use Micro Brow Perfector from Lakme. This is in the shade Coffee. Next for contouring, I'll use Hoola Bronzer. Time to do the eye makeup now. First, I'm going to take Lakme Eyeconic Insta Cool Kajal and I will create a thick eyeliner on my eyelid with this kajal. Once we have this in place, I'm going to take a Q-tip and start smudging it. If you don't have a kajal smudger brush, then a Q-tip actually works really well to smudge your kajal. Okay, next I'm going to take Morphe Bronze Golds palette. This is how the palette looks and it is a big palette, but if you're really into neutral, natural kind of looks, then this is something that you can consider investing in. It is so big that I have to hold it close to my face. From this palette, I'm going to take this shade first and I'll apply it all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette. This I'll apply all over my eyelid. It is okay if it gets a little bit on top of the smudged area, we'll touch it up. Now next I'm going to take this shade from the palette and this I'll apply in the inner corner of my eyelid. Just about this much. Now I'm taking my used Q-tip, okay? This is a Q-tip which I use to smudge the kajal on my eyelid. I'm going to once more smudge that line with the used Q-tip. I've not used more kajal yet. That we'll do in the end. The reason why I applied the kajal before applying the eyeshadow, even though it got covered with the eyeshadow, is to lay a base. Now that I'm smudging it with the used Q-tip, the blending is looking quite neat. You can of course do it in the end as well, like apply the kajal after applying the eyeshadow and then smudge it out. But I like doing it this way because I'm obsessed with seamless blending. Now to intensify this, I am going to take the kajal again. This time I'm not going to create a thick eyeliner. I'm going to try and keep this line as close to my upper lash line as possible. And one last time I'm going to smudge this out. I'm using the clean side of the Q-tip to do this. I'm also not smudging it aggressively, like very lightly I'm smudging this line. Now I'm going to take this lighter shade from the palette and with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the color on my crease. With that final step, the eyelid is complete. Now we'll get to the lower lash line. First, I'm going to apply Lakme Insta Cool Kajal on my waterline. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade which we applied on the eyelid. This I'm going to place on my lower lash line all the way through. Lastly, I'm going to intensify just the outer corners of my lower lash line. I'm going to take my kajal pencil, apply a little bit of the kajal only on the outer corner and smudge it out with a Q-tip. I'm using the same Q-tip. That's it. I've zoomed out the camera to show you the complete look. This is the final eye look. For mascara, I'll use Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. First, I'm going to show you this look without the false lashes. This is the look with just a mascara. You can easily carry it without false lashes as well. It looks very nice. But I am going to wear false lashes, so I'm going to do that off camera and come back. The false lashes are on. The details will be in the description box below. Now moving on to blush. For blush, I'll use Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. This is actually a luminous blush. It does add a bit of shine to your cheeks. The good thing about this blush is that it doesn't have any glitter chunks. So you get a very neat, glowy look. For highlighter, I'll use M.A.C Soft and Gentle Highlighter. As always, first I'll highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. and then I'll get to all the high points of my face. Lastly, for my lips, I'll use K-Beauty lipstick in the shade Backstage. To set everything in place, I'll use e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. And that's it. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching the tutorial. You can of course pair this look up with your favorite jewelry, with the outfit that you're planning to wear. This look also goes well with a lot of bright colors. So if you choose to wear red or yellow or green, or I'm wearing magenta right now, it is going to go well with it. I have few more videos left for the festive series. I think I'll start making few more Diwali looks now. So let me know if you have any suggestions or requests. I'll try and work around them. And yeah, that's it. With that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please consider subscribing to our channels. We've got two channels. There's this channel where I post beauty content, and we have another channel where we post daily vlogs. You can also consider following me on Instagram. I do post video updates and some makeup related content here and there on my Instagram handle. As always, I'll leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check them out. If you do like our content, then consider following and subscribing. That's it from me for today, guys. Stay safe and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.